Namaskaram friends, hope you all had a good Varalakshmi Viratham. We had a good one here. This is our Ambal. Satyanarayana Swami, Varalakshmi Ambal, Lakshmi Tayar, Mahalakshmi. Let us see 62nd Divya Desam today. Let's see 62nd Divya Desam today. The Divya Desam name is Thiruvidandai. This is located on the way to Mahabalipuram from Chennai. We know there is a famous resort, no? It's very opposite to that is where this temple is located, Thiruvidandai. Before seeing the details of the Divya Desam, let me tell what this Thiruvidandai name signifies. Thiru, I have already said that it also has other meaning. Mahalakshmi represents Mahalakshmi. Thiru represents Mahalakshmi. So we know wherever Narayana is there, Mahalakshmi will be there. So that's why if you see all the Divya Desam, it starts with the name Thiru, which signifies goddess Mahalakshmi. And being today Varalakshmi Viratham, I want to talk about Nitya Kalyana Perumal. So Thiruvidandai is where Nitya Kalyana Perumal gives beautiful darshan with Mahalakshmi Tayar Akilavalli Nachiyar. Let's see how Nachiyar gets the name Akilavalli Nachiyar. And Nitya Kalyana Perumal, why he gets the name Nitya Kalyana Perumal. Before that, the name Thiruvidandai means, so Thiru, I said it's Mahalakshmi. Yeda Endai. Yeda means Yedadu side. Yedadu we call it as left side. Yedadu means in Tamil it's Yedadu. In English it's left side. Valadu is right. Yeda Endai. En Tandai. Here we are treating Lord Narayana as Tandai. So Mahalakshmi Tayar sits on Lord Narayana's left lap, is what this name signifies. Thirukadan Mallai is a village name where this temple is located. Nitya Kalyana Perumal. There is a very strong belief, and not only belief, I have seen lot of girls who got married and settled happily who visited this temple. Nitya Kalyana Perumal gives beautiful blessings that who visits him and worships him there, along with Mahalakshmi Tayar Akilavalli Nachiyar, will get married soon. So those who marriage are getting delayed and those who want to get settled in Grihasthanam. So there are 4 phases we say: Brahmacharyam, Grihasthanam, Vanaprashaktam, Sanyashram. So those who are willing to get settled in Grihasthanam should Grihasthashram, they should get settled, they should worship this Nitya Kalyana Perumal. And he bless everyone with a beautiful life. Okay, let's see how he gets the name Nitya Kalyana Perumal. Meghanathan's son, he's Asuran, Bali Chakravarti. He is good king and who can defeat anyone in the war. There was a war between Asuras and Devas, and Asuras seeked for Bali Chakravarti's help. He didn't want to get into the war, and they lost the war. So again Asuras requested Bali Chakravarti, and he won the war. Though he won the war against Devas, he got the dosham. So to get rid of the dosham, he did penance from this temple and got the beautiful darshan of Adi Varaha Perumal. Adi Varaha Perumal gives darshan to Mahabali Chakravarti with Mahalakshmi on his left lap. There is a temple in Mahabalipuram where we can get the darshan of Lord Narayana with Mahalakshmi sitting on the right lap. That is Thiruvalandai. Here this is Thiruvidandai, because here Mahalakshmi sits on the left side. So that's why he gets the name. There is another legend also. There was a sage called Guni sage whose son name is Galavar sage. He got married Guni sage daughter got married to Galava sage and they both had 360 daughters. Getting married for one daughter itself is a big task. So Galava sage was so worried that he has to get his 360 daughters married. So he did penance from this place, Tiruvidandai, where Perumal came as a beautiful bridegroom and said that he'll marry one of his daughters. And he married first daughter. Of course, as a father, anyone will ask, what about the rest of the daughters? No. So Nitya Kalyana Perumal. Nitya means daily. Daily Perumal took each bridegroom avataram and he married all the 360 daughters is the legend behind this temple. So Nitya Kalyana Perumal is all day he marries. He gives darshan as a beautiful bridegroom here. And if you see the actual darshan, Varaha Perumal, I said no. And on his left feet we can see, under his left feet we can see Adi Seshan and his wife. The Vimanam name is Kalyana Vimanam, Kalyana Tirtham. Tirumangai Alvara has sung Pasurams. Here the Alvars will consider themselves in different forms. They'll consider themselves as a lover. They'll consider themselves as a lover's mother, where mother complains about his daughter, how she's always thinking about Lord Narayana. And lover's friend, how the lover will narrate about his bridegroom to his friend. Likewise, Alvars treat themselves in different forms. For this temple, Tirumangai Alvar has sung 10 Pasurams, treating himself as a Narayana lover's mother who sings about how her daughter is. So that's the beautiful details about this Nitya Kalyana Perumal, Akilavalli Nachiyar. So 360 Nachiyas are there. Instead of having 360 temples, shrines for each goddess, Nitya Kalyana Perumal made all the 360 Nachiyas as one Nachiyar, Akilavalli Nachiyar. That's how Akilam means all, the entire world is treated as the Nachiyar ourselves. Jivatmas are Nachiyas here. Purushottaman is Nitya Kalyana Perumal here. So Nitya Kalyana Perumal as Purushottaman saves this world of Jivatmas, treating everyone as a womankind. So that's the description about this Tiruvidandai temple. On this auspicious day, very happy to talk about Nitya Kalyana Perumal and Akilavalli Nachiyar. I'll meet you all tomorrow with 63rd Divya Desam, friends. Thank you. This is my small puja corner. This is my Ambal for Varalakshmi Viradam. Have a great day, friends. Stay safe. Thank you. Namaskaram.